how to withdraw your money from EquityEdge. So here's what you want to do. Make sure you are signed into your account. And once you've signed in, we will click on the three lines here in the top left, and you have to go into withdrawals. Now from here, if you want to withdraw, first you have to choose your account login ID. So here, if you have registered accounts, you will choose that one which you want to withdraw from. Next, you will have to choose your payout method. So you can do Wire, you can do Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. So we're going to do Wire. For this, it's going to ask you for more information such as your address, country, first, last name. So I'm just going to go back into withdrawals. And let's say that we want to do the blockchain here. You will see the wallet address. So you will need to provide your wallet address. So once you have done this, the next step will be I'm going to go back here, typing the amount. If you want to withdraw all of your money, we'll click on max. Then you have to click on submit, and that is going to initiate the withdrawal. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.